This video is sponsored by Dev Mountain, an in-person coding and design bootcamp. Hey friends, what's up and welcome back to a new episode on the channel. In today's video, I would like to tell you more about wireframing, why I think wireframing is important, how I do my wireframing, and what are the goals, the benefits of wireframing. Now I know that many designers have problems with wireframes because they want to jump into Sketch or Figma or whatever and to design right away. They want to open a new document, create designs and roll away. But what wireframes are all about is to get an idea of what the design and the app or the website is going to be in a very early stage. Wireframes are created very fast in the early process, in the early stages of a new project. And what you want to achieve with a wireframe is to basically get a very fast and simple idea of the app or website that you're going to create. It's also a very easy way to communicate your design decisions or design ideas to other people that are other designers or maybe non-designers like developers, project managers or your boss. Wireframes are also all about finding problems very fast and very easy because you are still in the early stage of a project and it's not so difficult to make changes to the latest concept. Using wireframes to find problems early on in the process is so important, will save you a lot of money and also your boss or the company that you're working for. Wireframes are about sketching ideas. They are about trying things out and maybe even deleting things and ideas because they weren't that good. They will also help you to make your design better because if you create a wireframe before jumping into your design app on your Mac, you will see that you will get a more defined idea that you will then turn into a final design if you create a wireframe. I think we should all accept that wireframes are a great part of our process and we shouldn't underestimate wireframing in the beginning of a new project. Yeah, you will be able to design faster if you created a wireframe before creating a real design. But don't think bad about wireframes because they are like reducing your amount of time that you're using for creating designs. Wireframing is a normal part of a product or website creation process, and that's why we should all appreciate wireframing and all of the benefits that come with it. I hope you enjoyed this small video about wireframing and why I think wireframing is important for our design and UI creation process. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you liked this video, hit the thumb up button and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much for your time and we will see us in the next episode. Dev Mountain offers housing at no extra cost for immersive students, and they have a career services team to help with job placements. Dev Mountain would love to hear from you, so be sure to click the link in the video description if you or somebody you know is ready to dive into the UX design program.